In today's video, I'm gonna show you super easy to set up your Brother HL-L2370DW printer to Wi-Fi. No confusing tech talk, just simple steps that will have your printer connected and ready to go in no time. Whether it's for home or office, by the end of this video, you'll be printing wirelessly. If you need extra help, call on the numbers on the screen. Let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and working properly. Check that your smartphone or PC is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Head over to your printer's control panel on the front of the machine. Now, press the OK button to enter the menu. Use the scroll down button to find Network, then open it. Scroll to WLAN and select it. Choose Setup Wizard to begin the Wi-Fi connection process. Now, your printer will start searching for available SSID networks. Just give it a moment to complete the scan. Scroll through the list and select your Wi-Fi network from the option that appears. Use the up and down arrow to enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so watch those uppercase and lowercase letters. Once your password is in, press and hold the OK button to apply the settings. When the screen asks yes or no, go ahead and release the OK button. Now, select yes and the printer will start connecting to WLAN. And hey, if you're finding these steps helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more printer tutorials. Once the Wi-Fi setup is complete, the display will show connected. That means your printer is now on your wireless network. Now, on your smartphone or computer, download and install the Brother iPrint and Scan app. Open the app once it's installed. If the app asks for access, tap on Allow. Read the end user license agreement and tap on Yes. Once the app opens, it will prompt you to select a device to use the application. Here, click on Select Now. On the Select Devices Wi-Fi screen, select the machines connected on your network. Wait while the app searches for printers on your Wi-Fi. When your printer pops up, tap on it. Give it a few seconds to connect and you'll see your printer displayed at the bottom of the home screen.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.